Past simple, regular, and irregular verbs. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. Simple past is a verb tense. We use simple past to talk about finished past actions. This can be any time before now. For example, I cooked yesterday. I saw my friends 5 days ago. I was busy last month. With regular verbs, verb form is the same. For all subjects, just we add ed. For example, watch, watched, talk, talked, dance, danced, walk, walked. I danced yesterday. You danced yesterday. She danced yesterday. He danced yesterday. We danced yesterday. They danced yesterday. So you can see for all subjects, we use the same verb. Let's see some more examples. I walked yesterday. My friend played the guitar at my party last night. She studied 2 hours ago. But with irregular verbs, verb form changes completely. Let's see what I mean. Go, went. Have and has, had. Drink, drank. See, saw. Eat, ate. Write, wrote. Come, came. With irregular verbs, for all subjects, we use the same verb. Let's see some examples. I drank tea 2 hours ago. You drank tea 2 hours ago. She drank tea 2 hours ago. He drank tea 2 hours ago. We drank tea 2 hours ago. They drank tea 2 hours ago. So you can see the verb drank is used for all these subjects: I, you, she, he, we, and they. For example, we went to my grandmother's house last week. I ate food 3 hours ago. They bought a car yesterday. With to-be verbs, I mean am, is, are, we use these two verbs, was and were. Let's see how they are used. I was hungry. You were hungry. She was hungry. He was hungry. We were hungry. They were hungry. I was tired yesterday evening. My cat was sick 2 days ago. It was cold. They were angry. My friends were surprised. They were happy. Now it's your turn. Let's practice. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Please subscribe to our channel for more educational content.